Welcome back to Overheat, the Mercedes-Benz Motorhome for 2026. Based on the information now available, Mercedes-Benz is developing a new electric vehicle platform that will affect their motorhomes in the future. The following are the key points: the new platform for electric vehicles. VAN.EA. Mercedes-Benz is introducing a groundbreaking electric vehicle architecture called VAN electric architecture. This platform will be used for the construction of all Mercedes-Benz medium and large electric vans starting in 2026. VAN.EA is applicable to a range of vans, including commercial vans and luxury RVs, because to its modularity and adaptability. The platform will support both front-wheel drive FWD and all-wheel drive AWD configurations. Impact on RVs: Mercedes-Benz plans to expand its roster with a new line of fully electric motorhome vehicles built on the VAN.EA platform. This suggests that Mercedes-Benz zero-emission recreational vehicles will probably become even more environmentally beneficial in the future. The VAN.EA platform also promises greater freedom in interior design and setup, which might result in more imaginative and comfortable RVs. Technology and features: VAN.EA based trucks will be equipped with Mercedes-Benz's MB.OS operating system, which provides entertainment, automated driving, and comfort features. SAE Level to automated driving will be available on the vans when they first launch, with Level 4 capabilities anticipated by 2030. These new features will significantly increase RV owners' mobility. Bonus points: Mercedes-Benz hopes to significantly increase its market share in electric vehicles in the years to come. These developments signal a significant shift in the motorhome industry, with a stronger focus on sustainability and electric technology. In conclusion, it is projected that the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome will be an extremely advanced and environmentally friendly vehicle thanks to the new VAN.EA platform and other state-of-the-art technology.